Hello, this is the third and final video for gel electrophoresis. We're going to look at the results from the gel. First of all, let's review what we had loaded on there. Okay, so here, lane 1 was blank, lane 2 had the red cap sample, and 3 and 4 had the purple cap sample, and number 5 was the green cap sample. So these are DNA samples cut with different restriction enzymes, and we're going to see the pattern for them. Okay, so remember, restriction enzymes are enzymes that cut DNA at specific nucleotide sequences. So let's go over here and see the gel. Okay, I stained the gel with, we'll take a look at it without the light so far. We stained the gel with a stain called Carolina Blue. That stains the DNA. And you can see the bands here a little bit, but I'll turn on the light. And here are the wells. Okay, the wells are where we loaded the DNA. We electrophoresed it. Remember, DNA has a negative charge, so it goes from the negative pole, which is up here, to the positive pole. So we took the gel out of the gel holder, out of the gel box, and then stained it. I stained it for about 20 minutes in the Carolina Blue stain, and then destained it with distilled water. The destain removes any excess stain that's in other parts of the gel, but it sticks to the DNA more tightly, so we see the results. So let me turn on this. I have a little light box here with a flashlight, and we can see the gel here. Okay, so here this has one band, this has two, this has two, and this has two, but a little higher. Okay, you might be able to see it better without the light on. But anyway. What I didn't have, but what's normally run on here, are size standards. So we have DNA cut with a restriction enzyme, and we know the size. Okay, so this would be a higher number of nucleotides, lower number of nucleotides. So the smaller fragments run faster through the gel. The larger fragments run more slowly. So you can see they have different patterns here. These two are the same, but this one's a little bit different. Okay, the bands are a little bit higher. There are two of them. This just has one band. So we can look at differences in the DNA patterns and tell where a DNA sample came from. This is also known as DNA fingerprinting. So you can imagine different samples, okay, like from forensic science. Maybe this was one suspect, this was another, these two match, and this was another. Okay, so we could say that maybe this suspect and this suspect here, or that maybe this was from a crime scene, this was a suspect, and the DNA samples match. Okay, so again, I'll turn on the light, but it's a little easier to see, maybe without the light, but you can see there the DNA samples. Okay, so this is the third and final one, so I look forward to seeing you again. I miss all you guys. We'll get back to school soon, and I'll be happy to see you then. Bye.